Let's talk about manifesting money. That's what my video is about today, by the way, if you haven't noticed. Anyway, Amanda here from createyourfuture.co. So today we're going to talk about manifesting money. Yeah. So if you haven't already subscribed, definitely subscribe, hit the bell icon below because I do put out new videos every Sunday, Wednesday, and Friday, each one of them designed to help you create something wonderful in your life. And I intend for each and every one of you to get past your money blocks because you know what? The one biggest breakthrough that I had about money was that it's not real. It's just energy. It's no harder to manifest $1,000,000 than it is a cup of coffee or a phone call from somebody or anything. It's really not. It really just comes down to the thoughts that we carry about money. So the first thing is to get clear on what you want, okay? So get clear on your goal of what you want to create. So for this example, I'm going to use this goal. The goal is I intend to be debt-free and have $10,000 in the bank. Okay. That's my goal. I intend to be debt free and have $10,000 in the bank. In fact, I can see $10,000 in my savings account when I log into my online banking. Okay. So that's my goal. So once you're clear on what you want, then you can actually start to figure out what your blocks are and what your resistance is. Okay. Because really, if you were to say the statement, I have a lot of debt, guess what? That's not a block if you want to be in debt. You're actually creating that just fine. But if you say, I want to be debt free, and then you say, oh, I have a lot of debt. Okay, you're creating a block, okay? So what you want to do is once you create your statement of your goal, your intention of what you want specifically, then you want to list out all of your limiting beliefs, okay? So, limiting beliefs like money is hard to come by. I have to work hard to make money. There's not enough money in the world. Money doesn't grow on trees. Like just dump them all out on a piece of paper. Just seriously write them out, become aware of them, dump them out. Once you've dumped them out and you're aware of them, you want to start changing them into positive intentions. Okay. So let's say one of them is you have to work hard for money. You cross that out and say, no, I intend for money to come to me easily and effortlessly. Okay. Let's say one of them is, I'm in debt. Okay. I intend to be debt free. Switch that over. Switch all of them over. Okay. There's not enough money in the world. No, there's an abundance of money. Okay. And once you've written out all these limiting beliefs and changed them into positive beliefs, you're going to see like the major things that pop out at you. Okay. So you may be always like, for instance, one of the ones that come with debt is like, people start to worry about bills being paid. I'm worried I can't pay my bills. What you want to do is you want to say, no, I can pay my bills easily and effortlessly. There's always an abundance of money. Okay. So once you write out all your limiting beliefs, change them into positive intentions, there's always going to be a couple that really stick out at you. Okay. So you're going to want to create a mantra out of them. And you're going to say, look at money comes to me easily and effortlessly, and all my debt is always paid off. I remember actually, there's been a few times where I've had a couple clients in the past create that they get money from all different directions unexpectedly. And a couple of them have actually had, in weird ways, their debts paid off, whether it be through some kind of program or somebody else, they ended up getting like this lump sum of money from like this great aunt they never knew. And it turned out to be, a will or something, right? So the other thing too, right, is if you have a business, remember that if you got your own business, let's say you're an artist and you make things, okay? So if you're going to create that, you're going to make lots of money through your business, you have to also work on my business is good. People want to pay for my artwork. My artwork is valuable. Okay. Because you want to be able, because business and money, they're so connected, right? Let's say you have a job. You want to start focusing on things like, I always get a raise. I always get high paying jobs. I'm going to get a job that pays me $50,000 a month or a year because I'm good enough or whatever the case may be. So you also want to make sure that your self-talk about whatever job or whatever or avenue or stream you want the money to come into is also positive. So you can manifest money out of thin air. Just say, I intend to manifest money out of thin air. Money comes to me unexpectedly from all areas. People just give me money for no reason. Right? People just constantly donate money to me, right? Sure. Or you can create, you know what? I have a high paying job. I'm going to find a job that pays me $100,000 a year, right? Or I make this much money through my business doing this. So there's so many different ways to do it. I mean, whatever way that you do it, you've got to think positive about money. And the first thing ever is to realize that money is only energy, and it's not actually this crazy thing. You've just got to clean up our money talk about it. And anytime that we have a negative thought about money, like, oh, there's not enough money to pay my bills. No, there's always enough money to pay my bills. There's more than enough money in the world to pay my bills. So get clear on what you want, okay? Write out all of your limiting beliefs, get them out, switch them all over into positive intentions, and then throughout the day when you're thinking about money, reaffirm your goal, your intention, and also any doubt that comes up, switch it over into a positive intention about money. So that way you're free to let money flow in, okay? And seriously, I mean, it can be changed around in really no time at all, you know, and it happens quick when all the blocks are gone. So you can make this happen. Okay, so you got to say things like, it is going to happen. I know my thoughts create. Money comes to me everywhere. It is going to happen. Okay. Anyways, that's my video for today. Thank you for liking, sharing, commenting, and subscribing. You guys are all amazing, and we'll see you in the next video. Bye-bye.